There are two kids, Tom and John. They both are preparing for a math test, but they prepare differently. In particular, Tom only learns addition and skips subtraction, multiplication, and division. On the other hand, John just memorizes each question in a textbook. In the time of the test, both of the kids fail. This is the kind of situation with overfitting and underfitting. In this situation, Tom and John are the models, and the textbooks are the data sets they're trained by, and the test is the real world example. Now, let's get into the formal definitions of overfitting and underfitting. Overfitting is when a model is too closely fit to a limited set of data points. So in overfitting, the model only works for the set of data that is being trained on. And if any other data is being presented, it does poorly. In the case of John, he just memorizes each question in the textbook. So he does really good on the textbook questions, but when it comes to the test, he does poorly. Underfitting is when a model captures most of the underlying trends of the data. Underfitting occurs when a model is too simple, so it might have too few features, which makes it inflexible in learning from the dataset. In the case of Tom, he only learns addition because he might have only had the resources to learn addition. So to fix underfitting, you want more data. Now let's talk about the graphs. By looking at the left side, we can see that the line does not cover all the points shown. Such models tend to cause underfitting of the data. It is also called high bias. Whereas the graph on the right side shows the predicted line covering all the points in the graph. In such condition, you can also think that it's a good graph which covers all the points. But that's not actually true. And this was the case with John. John thought that he answered all of his textbook questions correctly. That's why he would do good on the test, but he actually did bad. So this is the basics of underfitting and overfitting. In the next video, we will talk about how to combat overfitting and underfitting. Hope to see you in the next lesson. Bye.